Hey all, it's Adam from Killer Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you the Quadron Combat Magnum cartridges. Quadron has an established reputation for manufacturing some of the best needles and cartridges around, and now they've teamed up with world-class tattoo artist Kamil Mosit for something big. So let's take a closer look. The Combat Magnum range from Quadron and Kamil is a selection of high-quality, super-wide needle cartridges. Built for strength, durability and efficiency, these combat cartridges come in two configurations, Magnum and Soft Edge Magnum. Up first we have Quadron's Combat Magnums, which are perfect for shading large areas as well as blackout work. If you look closely, you can see the needles within the cartridges are arranged in a double staggered row. On the other hand, the needles within the Soft Edge Magnum versions are arranged in an arc, making them ideal for shading large areas with a more intense colour in the centre and a faded effect on the outside. Both types of combat cartridges are fitted with razor-sharp, flexible needles with a long taper and diameters of 0.30mm. Each cartridge contains either 39 or 49 needles depending on your choice. As with the standard Quadron cartridges, the Combat Magnum variants feature the same unique needle stabilizing system that ensures optimal performance of your needles. In addition, tips of these cartridges are made from a medical grade plastic that ensures minimal friction and keeps your needles sharper for longer. The Quadron Combat Magnum cartridges come in boxes of 16 units, with each cartridge individually packaged and EOGas sterilized. They are available to order from Killer Inc. via the link in the description below. So, what do you think of these cartridges from Quadron and Kamil Mosit? Will you be picking up a box or two for yourself? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.